Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here. This is the Monday morning and we are busy packaging all the hair. So this is all the hair ready for shipping, and these hair are going everywhere in the world and from all our clients. Actually, for most hair company, we might work for 5 days, but for us, we have to work for 6 days. Actually, FedEx working from Monday to Saturday, and some company, I think most company, we are working Monday to Friday, and we are working from Monday to Saturday. Make sure that all our clients can get the hair on time, and all this hair you can see it's all different type of hair product, and also so all the orders are for the clients from all over the world. From these hair extensions, you can see eye-tip hair extensions, lace closures, and flat weft hair extensions for Remy human hair, wigs for curly hair, and also lace clippings. All kind of hair products are ready for shipping all over the world, to US, to Europe, and everywhere. Flat weft, you can see a lot of flat weft ready for shipping, and this is nano hair extensions and customized lace frontal for clients. This is hairline type. You can see it is smaller than normal, starting by 4. It's kind of a 9 by 2 hairline type, and hand tied weft and hello hair extensions and everywhere. This is the room that where we're shaping all our hairs, and we have, let me show you the other room. Everyone is busy in taking photos and videos for the clients. Actually, all the orders we will take videos and photos professionally, so that we can keep all the records, and especially for some wholesale and retail clients, they might need some professional photos, and we can also take for you. So this is how we are working, and we take care seriously for every order, and from how to processing the order to how to packaging and how to take put record, and every step we take it very seriously. So if you are if you want hair and want to take buy a wig or hair extensions, or looking for partner for hair extensions business, you can actually work with us, and because you can see that how serious we're taking care of every order, and I think our advantage is that my promise is to you is that we try our best to make sure that you get what you want for your order. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.